Hi guys, and good morning, or whatever time it is in your area. I'm Sabrina, and I'm just gonna show you a little something we're gonna do. We did the nipple system with a bucket and the nipples, and then pop it and get the water. Well, every time I went to let them out, they would gulp down the water that I had in this little bucket. So I realized they were not getting the amount of water they needed. And I didn't feel comfortable with that. So what I did is I filled up. I had a second bucket. The other bucket's still out there with the nipple system until I get this ready. So I have this bucket, and it already had the nipple system in it, as you can see. And so what I've done is I filled it up with silicone. Fill those holes up so I can still use my bucket. And I went on Amazon and I got these awesome little cups that auto-fill. So I'm going to put 3 of these on the bucket, and then we're doing a watering system, auto water system, where it's going to be with the PVC in their coop. This one's going into their run. You're going to love their run. Wait till you see our chicken coop and run system. You're gonna die. It's awesome. I have to say so myself. It's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do all this, and it's real simple, real easy, and we're gonna make it happen today. All right, I will be back. I've got to gather my tools. I'll go through those what you need, and we're gonna put together a watering 5-gallon system for chickens, ducks, whatever. Okay. See you soon. I zoomed in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Excuse my sweat. It is Southeast Texas, and it's already hot, even at like 8 in the morning. So this is what you get in Southeast Texas. No matter what you do, you glisten, okay? Or I do. Okay, so what we're gonna need is a 3/8 inch drill bit. You need your drill, Teflon tape, measuring tape, something to mark with, your cups. Make sure they have the little washers on the end and the little bolt and the little screw nut. Okay, your bucket. Now what you do is from the bottom up, you mark 1 inch. Now I've already done mine. 1, and then 3 cups, 2, 3. So that's what you do there. Mark it, and let's get ready to drill. Okay, so I'm ready to drill. I like to start out kind of slow and easy. Let that thing, it will walk on you if you let it. So kind of go a little slow and then speed it up. 1. Before I go any further, I'm going to check and see how 1 works. Okay. Put the little, a little difficult to hold on to. I honestly think that's going to work great. It fits. I'm not going to go all the way through because I don't want to break my cup as I'm turning my canister. So let me attach that all back. Hello, Hoss Doug. Are you finished with the chickens? My dog loves chickens. He sits out there like a little sheep herder and just watches them. In case, the reason why I'm doing it like this is because and put them all the way around. But being that we're using the other system in the coop, the rest of these, and then I want one or two for leftovers, just in case one breaks, well then 3 works. And that's what I've got, and that's what I'm going to use. Okay, I'll be right back. You've got all your hose drilled. Let's do the Teflon tape. Add that. And I keep my washer on and add my Teflon tape up to it. Work that washer to get it up. Okay, washer's up. Teflon tape. A little hard to work with. That's wet. When you're sweating. So like, yeah, we're loving our chickens. We are having such a blast. We've come up with a cool little channel that brings our chickens from their coop to their run. I can't wait to show you that. But yeah, it's really, really cool. I don't think there's another one out there like it. And I'm all about the safety when it comes to my babies, whether it be my children, my dogs, my chickens, soon to get rabbits. Can't wait on that. And yeah, we're using them for meat. And to do our aquaponics. Alright, I got you on there. You put the little nut. Looking good, looking good. Alright, so I'm going to do that for the next 32. And I'll come back when I'm done. And we'll see if this baby works. I'll go put it out in the chicken pen. You'll be able to come and see the chicken pen. Alright, we're not totally finished with it yet. Just keep that in mind. Alright, I'll see you in just a bit when I get this finished. Stay. I've got all that finished. I've got my 3 on there. And now what I'm going to do is I want my bucket to be where it brings these little cups chest high for the little chickens. So I need to kind of figure out what size is going to work. I'm thinking this size right here. Okay, so I wanted to shoot a little video here of how these things work. Hopefully I can get Miss Fraulein to get out of my way. She loves to play in the water. Lordy have mercy on me. Okay, so as I fill it up, hopefully you can see the cup. Alright, see I'm filling? When they get full, they go down. And so far I see if they're all gonna stop. Got one still going. Got 2 still going. Or is that the wind? Got
we're still getting water in there. They're not all the way down yet. Okay. So that is how they work. Now to put them in the pen and see how the chickens like them. So here they are. I just put it in their cage, their little chicken run. Right now they're not quite sure what to think about it, but once I remove the old and put in the new, I think they'll get used to it. They always want to be where the water's running. This one's checking it out. She's not quite sure of it yet. Here's another one. She's not quite sure. Nope, she's not ready yet. They're trying to peck it like they do their nipple system that I had set up. There they go. There's one got in. And looky there. And that's about how long it takes. Now I've got to put something on the top there so they don't poop all over their water bowl. Alright, that's it. Looky there. I think they like their water. And so this is how you accomplish the task of keeping them off the water system. Ta-da! We are done, and the chickens love their watering cups. And I give it a thumbs up. And I'll let you know if for any reason they become where they're not good, they break easy, all that good stuff, if I have to deal with the company, how they are. So I'll keep you informed. But for right now, we have happy, happy, happy little ladies. All right. Oh, stay tuned. We're going to show you how to do it. Connect these little cups here to PVC. All right. Like and subscribe. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. See you soon.